Welcome back to Jehan's Nook. So again, this is Jehan and I'll be touring you around Adobe Premiere Creative Cloud 2017. So we'll be completing our project, which is dancing character. We'll put the background music, um, background image, transition, and subtitles, and finally render or export the Premiere Pro project to an AVI file so we can watch that AVI file outside Adobe Premiere Creative Cloud 2017. So it will be a playable or viewable video clip. Okay, so now proceed to Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017. So start.